Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Sarika Manohar Jadhav. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, Siddharth Arts, Commerce and College Science, Jafrabad. So here I just give a short PPT on chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reactions, how these reactions are taking place, how fast these reactions are going to be proceed. All these terms can be studied in this chemical kinetics. So now let's start for what is the rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is generally defined as the speed with which the reaction is taking place. How these reactions are proceeded, it can be explained with this rate of reaction. Now, here, why chemical kinetics is important? This chemical kinetics is important because it can give us the idea about with which the reaction will be completed or within which duration that reaction will be completed. It is also useful in case of an food industries, in case of an drug industries, or where the term the reaction is at there is chemical kinetics is applied. Now, the rate of reaction is how fast these reactions are proceeded is generally defined as a rate of reaction. It is nothing but the definition of that rate of reaction is that the change in the concentration of the reactant or the product with respect to the time is generally called as a rate of reaction. Here now consider this one as an unimolecular reaction. Here the reactant A which is converted into the product B. Now, in this case, the A here in rate equation, we see here that rate is equal to minus dy by dt of concentration of A. This minus term indicate that the concentration of reactant is decreasing, while in the rate equation of this product, here the concentration of B is increasing. Therefore, here is not a negative sign. Again, the rate of reaction can be explained with this diagram. Now consider that these black dots are the reactant A molecules. As the time passes, after 10 minutes, we see here the concentration of these A molecules is decreasing, while now there is a formation of B molecule is started. It means that the product formation is initiated. Again, when there is 20 minutes, then after again the product concentration is increasing, and here the A molecules concentration is decreasing. And finally, lastly, we see here that when there is a completion of reaction, at that time the B molecules concentration is high as compared to the A molecules concentration. Now this can be again explained with this graphical representation. This graphical representation here shows that the A molecule concentration is continuously decreasing, while the B molecule's concentration is continuously increasing. It shows the reactant is decreasing while the concentration of product is increasing. The reaction order is one of the most important term, or it is the soul of chemical kinetics. It is nothing but the sum of the powers which are raised on the rate equation in the rate law. Now here it is defined as